Hello, this is Spring Chatter. Thank you for watching.
What are we gonna make? Reindeer!
I wanted to be a lumberjack.
One reindeer head. Oh, 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 oh. Two reindeer heads. Oh, oh, oh. Three reindeer heads. Four reindeer heads. Now we just need the bodies.
Will you help me hide a body? It doesn't have to be in one piece.
Alright, the chainsaw wants to break for a second apparently.
Pick out a log for the legs.
I'm gonna get fruit loop.
Hump day! Why are we saying hump day? It's not hump day.
It's not even Wednesday. Let it go, Phil.
All right, dude, let's get a leg. These ones are, I think.
I got an antler.
You got an antler? Here, what about this guy for his legs? Oh, that's it. You want that? Look, you want. He's got little antlers for his. Okay, get it. You gotta get another one because you need two antlers. Yeah. We got our bodies.
Will you help me hide a body? Come on, we can't delay. No one can see him on the floor. Get him out the door before he can decay.
Alrighty then. Pleasant course. Alright, here's our reindeer bodies.
Hi there.
We gotta now assemble our reindeers. I got antlers. Are you flashing me?
My buttons ain't fair, yo.
They're sitting on our reindeers.
You are the worst driver. Piece of junk.
We got our tractor back.
So this is our assortment of logs.
Yes, log.
What rolls past stairs, the motor and pairs, rolls over your neighbor's dog. What's great for a snack and fits on your back? It's log, log, log. It's log, log. It's big, it's heavy, it's wood.
We've got bodies, we've got heads, we've got legs, and we've got a neck stem. So now it is
And then we got
We got our
we got some antlers.
antlers.
my antlers go.
Where'd you put them? You brought them up?
I put them right there.
Oh. Wait, stake your claim. Which reindeer's yours? You got 4 to choose from. That one's your reindeer?
So we got mine with his beefy roid legs.
All right, we got them laid out. Let's assemble them.
That's sloppy. And this deer's gonna be bow-legged.
That's what she said?
In there.
Might be fine. Not meant for target practice. Unless you
Although
want to.
we could.
So this deer already's got a flesh wound on his leg before it's even installed.
You can keep your straight legs. I like the bow legs. Bow legs for life.
It's even more bow-legged. My deer are gonna look drunk. Drunk and wobbly. This one's pooping. All right.
I think they're too long. I don't think the bodies are big enough.
What do you mean? Quit laughing at him, Aaron. You're gonna give him self-esteem issues.
No, my leg's not even touching.
Well, he's holding it up. It's injured. Look. It fits in with the motif. All right here through the middle. Look, it's a puddle jumper.
It's really wet.
That's what she said.
That's my joke, damn it.
This thing's huge. It's retarded. This looks like a damn moose. Moose! Moose! Moose!
Or you could have just cut bigger bodies.
Now it looks like a little puddle jumper. Scary thing, I think that actually would hold me up.
I don't think it would.
I think it would.
You want to make a bet?
What are we betting?
If I win, you sell your neon.
No. You know how that song goes? I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Don't worry, there's nothing odd going on. I'm just gonna screw the deer in the butt.
That's what he said.
It needs something, like it needs holes drilled in its head.
Run, cowboy!
Let's go. I don't want you to fall off.
Here's our reindeer.
Bet you won't touch that button. Check it out.